Let's do it. Nice. Time to code some tight shit. I forgot what I was even coding. That's why you need a little to-do list. With a little to-do list, you could do anything. I'm making the 1.0.9 version of my program. I fucked up a lot of environment variables, so I gotta fix those up. That's what I gotta do. Alright, so I know what my fucking variables are. They're in the main file. Because the main file does all the security. The main file does all the security for web10. Let's do it. So, let's see. Oh, I found one of them. I found one of these guys. And so the issue is that settings.core service managers is no longer a list, because you can't put a list in an environment variable, but comma separated values. So there's a few ways I could do this. I'm gonna do it the fucking unsafe way, because I really don't give a F. You could say, I know what I'm gonna do. Split it by a comma. If the submission token.site is in the core service manager split, you know, you're doing pretty good. Cores service managers. I'm gonna fuck myself if I do this. So I'm gonna undo this real quick. Okay. The way I gotta fucking do this is, come on. Let's see where this code even stops. Damn. Ooh. I don't know if this is safe for me to stream this stream, because I think all my keys are in my settings file. Oi, yoy. I might have to uno momento this one. I'll bring this to the other screen for just a second, because I don't want to let nobody see my private keys here. Oh, I did a good job. I hit it all. Okay, I'm not that much of a doofus as I thought I was. So the whole thing resumes. No sensitive keys in my settings. That would have been embarrassing. Very, very embarrassing is all. And I'm not embarrassing myself. Okay. Come on, I gotta drink up. This code's getting nasty tonight. That's what this code's up to. This code's getting nasty. Let me just check if I'm streaming for a second, because I don't even fucking know. Woo! Mm-hmm. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. I'm monitoring this thing. Good. Good. Very good. Okay. What am I going to do? This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to write some code. So, I know my fucking, my stuff ain't looking so good, so hot. Let me look at my little bit. So I have a little Bitwarden panel. A little web vault that has all my secret keys. And so with my Bitwarden web vault, none of you can see my passwords. So I'm not going to have some kind of stupid leak on the website or nothing, is all. But it's actually in my settings.py that I keep my core service managers, because I could have a .env file too, where I do that. I pray there's nothing sensitive in here. Oh my god, I don't have to pray. Look, if you have to pray, you're a noob. That is all. So all you gotta do is just not show it on the stream, and then you're not a noob. Because you're a noob if you show it on the stream. If you don't show it on the stream, then you're not a noob. And it's safe. It is safe. So this Bitwarden object ID, I have this in the env file. And it's the ID of my Bitwarden vault object that has my web10 stuff in it. Keeps my code safe. Keeps you from seeing my private keys. But I can run web10 anyway. So let's get this show on the road. Enough of this cockamamie shit I'm saying, right? Hopefully you can predict my password from the little sounds of the numbers hitting the keys. Alright, got my little web10 server running. So let's see if it's on the port that it's supposed to be on. I don't actually even have to do the port. I forgot all about that. Okay. Something's broken. Something's awry. And that makes a lot of sense. Let's see if my authenticator is broken. All my stuff is broken. And that's the truth. If this is broken, that's some serious shit I'm in. Oh, this is crazy. I was doing this stuff not in my Linux. LOL. Okay. Look, forgive me. I'm getting a little used to my setup is all. Oh, let's do it. Alright. I'm a very writing type of guy. I draw diagrams, all kinds of shit. It gets me on my grind, on my productivity. But let's move this Spotify to that other screen, you know? Shit. Okay. That looks like it's good. Let's see if this is online. It's not online. It's a bad gateway. It's not looking no good for my... my application. This is looking good though. This is looking real good. Now let's see if 2.localhost works. I doubt it. I really doubt it. Alright. We got a good record here. We got some stuff on my local server running. What's crazy is this stuff could be hooked up to the interwebs like that. I'm telling you. I could give it some funny names. Because I got this little Docker Compose. If I'm hosting anything on my computer on port 80, it's an immediate kill shot. Immediately accesses the interwebs like it's nothing. I get what's going on. I did this in a separate little tmux. This is what I did. So all my stuff is in my little Docker Compose right here. This is where I keep my host files. None of them are on port 80. All of them are lying to themselves. It's just pathetic, is all. They have a little port mapping. But my Nginx proxy is running on port 80. And that's a crazy thing. Because that means people could really experience test.web10.app on my server. And I kind of want to try that. It makes my brain go crazy. It really makes me think all kinds of crazy thoughts. All kinds of crazy thoughts. It's not as straightforward as it used to be, you know? Not as trivial. Not everyone is willing to churn out code on a Thursday night as I am willing to. Okay. I'm just getting a little situated. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do. I haven't done this project in a long time. Nothing that a little liquor can't fix is all I'm trying to say. If I have to build my view count, if I have to work myself to the top, if I gotta work on my grind set, it's gonna be a little bit of a sport, a little bit sporty. I'm getting kind of faded, is all I gotta say. All I gots to say. All I gots to say is I gotta share my little stream with my fucking friends. Because it's what's going on right now in my life. LOL. LOL. I hope this guy doesn't say nothing inappropriate on my stream or nothing. Because that would be no good. LOL. Get my friends on. So sometimes how it goes, you know? Sometimes you gotta just drink alcohol. Dude, I know you're watching my stream. I know you're gonna watch it. This is what goes. It's just kind of the method to my madness. I'm just getting a little situated. I have all these costs in my it costs money to make money, is what I'm trying to say. I just want to see, where does this show up in my code? Come on, it definitely shows up in my code. Especially in the bottom. I know I'm checking the costs. I'd be surprised if I wasn't checking the costs. Well, I check pay required and all this shit. I get it. But I don't check the cost nowhere in here. Okay. Let's see. Where am I gonna check the cost? Probably checking the cost in my settings. That's where I'm checking my cost. Checking in my Mongo. That's where I'm checking it. Yeah. Of course. Damn. I only do it where I charge. If I'm charging on web10, that's where I check the cost. I really configured this really chill. Okay, so I have these costs, you know? I have the costs, and it's a fucking dictionary. And then I have the core service managers. And that's a dictionary. So I gotta think about that a little bit. Use knows. If use knows. Because I want to be able to configure it from a .env file. Okay. Okay. I think I knows what I gotta do if I want to make this work. I know what I'm doing. Dude, it's about moving forward. Okay. Initiate some quality of life variables around the config. Yeah, because I got this core service manager, right? And so, like, obviously, I'm gonna want that. It's not that fucking, you know, it's pretty chill. It's pretty chill. It's just how it goes it. It's how it goes it, you know? The chat not off, dude. The chat's not off. The chat's off because you're using some YouTube derivative is all. There's a vibrant chat that you can use. But you gotta like Google each your data is all. You gotta let oh, it's Tony DeLuca. Oh, damn. Okay. You know? Let's go. I don't know why it doesn't show up on the stream though, is all. It's gonna show up in a second. Okay. Okay, Tony. I'm gonna show you some code here. You're gonna see that I'm a little bit of a noob. Okay. Okay. Oh shit. I'm a little bit stuck. Stuck a little is all. Okay. Dude, sometimes I paste with the non-Vim paste. And that's just how I do it. Okay. I need a little bit of a booze break. Oh! Damn, dude. That's all it takes. Okay. What we's gonna do is make a new little dictionary. Nice. It's reading my mind. Okay. It's reading my mind. It's got me good. Okay. Okay. I don't know none of these fancy Vim things, but I'll need to know them. Okay, I like this second line. Okay. It's kind of fun, this Vim thing, dude. Tony DeLuca, thank you for getting me into this Vim thing. Okay. Okay. It's not so bad. You know? I do them one by one. It's like painting. It's fucking soothing for my soul. Is all it is. Soothing for my soul, and all of a sudden, I got a kick-ass config file. It does what I want it to do. I just gotta look at the top of the file though, because I made these environment variables. Okay, okay. I'm thinking about how I want to structure this. Just make a beautiful fucking coated margarita pizza. Tony DeLuca, come on. Tony, give me something. Tell me something. Dude, you telling me this GGDGZZ? You want to type that? Are you gonna make me delete my whole file? I bet it's some kind of troll stuff. This is where I put the configurable variables, Tony. This is where the configurable variables go. It's just the way it goes. Do a little delete, you know? Sometimes it gets a little messy. Sometimes you learn in the Vim and you don't know how to do nothing. But okay. It's fun though. It feels like I'm playing with little Legos, like one of those closeted Japanese folks. Okay. Alright. I gotta tone down that kind of talk. This is a stream after all. Okay. Here we go. The configurable variable is gonna go right here. All this shit's gonna run. It's gonna be like comma, comma, comma. The environment variable is gonna get picked up down here in all my secrets. Then the core service manager is gonna be equal to the core service managers dot split comma. It's that simple. That simple, bro. Sometimes it's good to just explain that you're improving the quality of life with your comments. It's that simple. Okay. Okay. I got this all in a nice little dictionary. My code shouldn't be broken no more. In theory. Theoretically. But I think it's still gonna be broken. You know why? Because life ain't that easy. Nothing's for free in this kind of a world. Let's see. See that? Tony DeLuca. If I could only tell you, you never get nothing for free in this world. Okay. I'm just gonna stop the server. Let's kill this shit. Okay. I can't believe none of this. It asked me for my password over and over again. What's it trying to do? Harass me? Harass me for my password? Okay. I gotta look at this output in the terminal. Okay. I get it. My Docker Compose ain't getting my bit warranties. That's what's breaking in here. So I just gotta quit. Gotta quit this fucking visual mode. I could easily fix that. Some quality of life variables. Damn, okay. Okay, Tony Famigliano here. Tony Famigliano. Tony Famigliano in the chat. Tony, motherfucker. Okay. Copy the text. Taking a little bit of a break. Let's do it. Let's get started on web 10 a little bit, you know? It ain't that hard. What was it? Oh, dude, I don't know what you're talking about, Tony. You're so full of it. Dude, this is where the code happens, bro. This is what it is. That's what this is. It's the Illuminati. Welcome. This is where the future of the internet's getting built out. It's only for super users. It's a super user special. That's what's going on. Ha. I've had enough of this song, is all. Let's put on the Hamilton Hanukkah. Damn. What am I putting on here? Dude, you just gotta watch if you want to know who I am. I'll show you who I am. Through booze, code, schmode, Joes and schmoes. Alright. Alright. I'm warming up here. Okay. So if I want my API to get any of my environment variables, if you want to learn some code, stick around. Because this is how you pass the environment variables into your Docker container. It's this little pattern right here. But for some reason it's not working no good. Is all I'm going to say. So I'll teach you what you do when your Docker container is not working no good. Is all I'm going to say. So what you do is you comment out your shit. You can't have none of that, right? You're gonna need this program to sleep infinitely is all. Sleep with the fishes. If you make this shit sleep infinity, then you can at least attach to that container and debug it. Alright. Let's do it. Now at least the container's not gonna die on me. Come on, don't die on me, container. Don't die on me. Alright. I can't have this thing. Get in his ear. Meet me outside of Paulo's Pizza. Yeah, tell him. Tell him, Tony. Tell him, Tony DeLuca. It's gonna get serious in here. Is all. Dude, I'm gonna get fucked up tonight. I'm telling you, dude. Can you code like I could code when I'm fucked up, Tony DeLuca? Cause it gets hot. It gets a little hot in here. Is all I'm gonna say. Dude, I have way too many fucking things in this fucking file, dude. Oh my fucking god. I'm gonna have to comment some of this shit out if I'm gonna debug it properly. Okay. Let's begin this little commentary. Begin commenting this shit out. Okay, I'm gonna have to look this shit up, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not like born into this. Okay. I'll go on the internet for a second and look this shit up. I gotta learn how to comment my code. How could I even not know how to do that? That's crazy. If I'm trying to comment a... Oh, yoy. How do you comment multiple lines in the fucking visual mode? Come on. Tell me. I just want to know. Hey, what's up, Ben Kenobi? You new to YouTube? It's live. It is live. This is the real business. It's super live. It's beyond live. You're talking to me in real time. That's what this is. Why would I use a multi-line comment in the Vim? Tony DeLuca knows. Come on. Damn. Control V and Shift I? Dude, I'm a little scared, dude. Alright, dude, Tony DeLuca. You're gonna make me delete my code, aren't you? Okay, Control V. Oh! Oh man, I tried to do that. I tried to do it. It takes like a few seconds for me to see the comments, no lie. It takes a little minute. Okay. It ain't looking like I messed anything up too bad in this Docker Compose. I can see a comment very quickly. It's not quite immediately. There's a little bit of a delay. Need a little bit of a drink break as well. Ooh. All right. I'm warming up here. I'm gonna be up here till 1 a.m. This ain't no joke or nothing. This ain't no joke. This is live. Live code. Mixing the lights and the darks. Alright. The same number of seconds took your mother to sleep with the Fabilianos. Dude, you gotta give me a break here. I'm really professional, dude. I'm like the type that gets promoted and then double promoted and then triple promoted, dude. I passed the Amazon coding interview on fucking shots and shots of tequila. I do it. I'm gonna make a little fucking clipboard.txt here because I don't know how to use Vim. You know? So sometimes you just gotta be, you know, work with what you got. Because, like, okay. Look, I'm better at VS Code, but I'm learning a new kind of text editor. Sometimes you gotta do that, is all I'm saying. Okay, I hope you didn't break my code, David Kerrigan. Oh, shoot. I meant, never mind, I'm talking to myself, dude. Who's this, who I'm talking about? Okay, here we go. Okay. I'm gonna yank this. I'm gonna yank this for all it's worth. I wasn't supposed to yank it, I was supposed to cut it. Okay. Okay. I destroyed that. Okay. Save that for a minute. Okay. Now I'm gonna paste it. Okay, so now I didn't lose none of my progress. Okay. Let me just save my little clipboard there so I don't hate my life. Because it's all about life, happiness, the pursuit of it all. Pursuing happiness. Simple. One little container. Debugging one little container is all. You're gonna want to stick around for this one. Tony DeLuca, he's a pretty good associate. I'm telling you, dude. He's a pretty good, he was in the union. He was in the union. Alright. Okay. I got a little container in here. Let's try to attach this container. Okay, I'm gonna use my keyboard. Forgive me for this sin. Oh, yeah. I don't know why it stalls out like that when I try to attach to my Docker containers. This is like a good little case study. Okay, I killed the little window though, because I don't want to get locked out. Nothing. So now I can look this up. Look, code is all about looking up the things that matter, the little things. Why are you getting locked out of your Docker container, you know? Why can't I attach to my Docker container? It sleeps. It hangs. One of the reasons it can't attach is the container's paused. I guarantee you it's not paused. Okay, I'll tell you about my music. It's Israeli fire. That's what it is. I didn't choose it randomly. This music was curated by an ex-con Jew. One of the bad brothers of my tribe. Okay, I want to like be able to go to the next page of this music. It'll tell me how to do it. Scroll up to the previous, go down to the next result. Control D, Control U. Okay, let's see if that works. Control D. Control U, D, U, D, U. Okay, I'm in the panel. Oh, it's working, dude. Okay. Okay. What am I in the mood for? What kind of music? There's a lot of this crazy stuff. Here, I'll make it bigger so you guys can see it. Real big. This is pretty good vibes, I gotta say. A lot of good vibes. Yeah, Docker container sleeps and I can't attach. Let's find out. Because like what you do when you sleep infinity is you want to be able to attach. And then you could run little commands in that container. So I'm gonna clone my little ChatGPT API because that'll really help me answer some questions here. Okay. I'm going to my GitHub. I did an Amazon interview and I passed. I killed it, dude. It's tough, dude. It's a hard little job interview. It's not Arch, it's Ubuntu. I'm a noob, dude. Please don't judge me. Please love me. Okay. So I'm up in here. I'm up in my my little GitHub. Tips for a sophomore. I'd say make this shit your life. So when I was in school, I thought I wanted to be a track star. I was pretty athletic. I actually tried out for the Olympic bobsled team this year. No cap. I was rooming with the NFL guy. But it's better to focus. You don't want to be like trying to do a sport and then trying to code and trying to do a sport and then trying to code. Code is my sport. I actually have like esports engraved on the side of my glasses because I'm trying to go hard in the paint. Okay, like honest tips for a sophomore. So like, don't listen to all the cucks around you. You could actually get an internship if you hit up your professors. Hit up a professor you don't have, and you read their research papers, fucking stalk them, and you say, I love you in your research, I'm so passionate. Just fucking lie through your teeth at them. Get yourself a little research position, and then you make a little personal website like this. Not to like, you know, share my identity or nothing. But you make a little website like this, you know, that has all your projects that you've ever done. And then look at this. It all starts somewhere. You got to start. So I told the professor, this guy, Professor Sankar, that, dude, I love your research. I want to like suck you off. And then I was able to pad my resume. It worked real well. So like if I go to my what is it? I went to Carnegie Mellon, by the way. Not that I'm smart or nothing. I'm not that smart or nothing. But okay. So what you do is you go to this little history button on my website and look at how fucking pathetic my resume was freshman year. Come on, look at this thing. Like, you can't get a job with that. But I sucked the D-holes of these professors, told them I loved the research, I wanted a little opportunity. And then I got the research. Look, then I put it on my resume for sophomore year. I said I did a little software research with the professor. Then, what do? You get another research with another professor. Now you got two of them. You got a Signals and Systems one, you got an Institute of Software Research one, and then, okay, senior year, you gotta tighten yourself up, okay? You gotta get like a real internship after you suck these professors off, for real, okay? It's for real. You pad the shit up, and then you're gonna be okay. So like senior year is when it clicks that like there's no rules. Like just fucking like apply yourself, go 100%, try as hard as you can in school, and go to office hours, get the homework answers, try and steal them from the teacher, suck the teacher's teeth, suck their nip, get the fucking answers, and then you'll get a resume that looks like this. I was a teaching assistant for graduate machine learning. Then you kind of flex on those employers. You flex on them. You fucking flex on them. You say, I'm fucking smart. I'm kind of fucking smart. I'll tell you for real how I got this graduate machine learning TA thing. I feel like I was like a low A, very low A, high B. I told the professor that the slides in the class were a little questionable. I'll edit all the slides in the whole class. This class is like a new class. It's graduate machine learning, but I omitted the part that it was machine learning for computer engineers. It's this little side class. So I fixed up the slides. It was a year-old class, and they loved it. They wanted to suck me off. So you get this tight resume. It's going good for you. Then you apply to the jobs. So what happened is I got a little job at Johns Hopkins APL. I used that, stayed there for 6 months, went to IBM, then went to this startup that fucked me. They fucked me. But I kind of got in the job market. Now I'm at the startup that I love. But this is kind of how it goes. This is how it goes. You can't control everything, but you can control a lot more than your friends are going to tell you that you can control. I'm telling you, dude. Nice to meet you, Akon Black, though. Okay. It's pretty cool. Life is like that. It's kind of funny. You're like, all of a sudden, you look back and you're 25 and you didn't even see the time pass. It's kind of crazy. You never know what's going on. It's like a flash. Holy moly. For some reason, my Linux is acting up. So I'll show you how I do this. How I set up my little development environment. I'm running this all in an RDP server on the server rack behind me in the back, and so my shit froze up. So I can just kill it, disconnect, reconnect. Okay, now I'm back on, and now it's working. I'm on Windows actually. Oh yeah, IBM, dude. So IBM, I have mixed feelings about. They're a big company. You'll be really happy. Good work-life balance. But I work for the government, and they will cuck the government. Okay, what stack do I run the program? What do you run? Tell me what you run. You run a 30 milligram Ritalin, fluoxetine, Zoloft. Oh, dude, I'm actually pretty natty, dude. I actually, I would be down to take like testosterone and physically enhancing substances, but like, I don't even work out no more. I was all natty when I was working out, but shit, dude. If I was gonna go back, I would have roided out. But dude, Ritalin and the fucking stack, you gotta do everything that you gotta do to succeed. Wear that shit like football pads, dude. Yeah, my man Tony. My man Tony. Oh yeah, dude. You gotta, dude. Okay, I'm gonna just like tell you guys like, if you want to know the problem with today's internet, this is the fucking problem with today's internet. That's the problem I'm trying to fix. That's why I'm like on the internet. I'm a little bit of a vigilante of the internet, if you know what I mean. It means nothing. It means absolutely nothing. Ah, man. Okay, I'm back. Back on the Linux. It's crazy. So I'll tell you, on my left side of the screen, I have Linux on Windows, and on the right side of the screen, I have Linux. So I have this like, I call it the Heather Shingling setup, because I could use all the proprietary programs on my Windows. And on the right side of the screen, I can't use none of that, but it's so much more productive because I'm using i3 Window Manager. And that's how I run my stack. That's my stack. My stack is this double setup. It's pretty lit. And my stack is this booze. I have my stack next to me. Why couldn't I just be straightforward with you guys? I fucking drink a lot of fucking liquor. Fanucci's talking about the internet, but he uses Windows. Stromboli Fanucci? Dude, try to develop on the fucking web with anything but a Windows VS Code situation. Okay, you have a Mac VS. Your whole life is gonna be fucking owned by Microsoft. You're a little Microsoft hooker when you're developing on the web. I have no shame in a little bit of web development. No shame in it. But you know, I'm trying to use Vim. I'm trying to train myself up here. So Tony, I don't know what to say. Bro, this Fanucci. The Stromboli. Oh, dude, how do you do your Linux Windows setup? You run it on a VM? I actually have VMware too, no lie. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm starting it up. I got this VMware. It costs $200. It's ridiculous. Unemployed, only Linux, usually unemployed. Yeah, dude. People who only run Linux are unemployed for sure, dude. I think Tony DeLuca might be unemployed. I'm not sure though. Dude, Tony, Akon is really throwing some shade at you, dude. Oh man, it's funny. So I was starting on this little VMware situation, and then I realized the RDP is pretty good. The RDP is pretty darn good. But I sync my doc files between all my shit with Dropbox. And that's a really heavy thing to do, because people who run Linux normally hate Dropbox, because it's a proprietary software. But all the fonts on the fucking bottom bar are the same, because I sync my dot files. And it's pretty awesome. I'm going to shut this thing down because it's bloated. I don't want to run in a VM here. It's kind of a lot. It's a lot to be doing all at once. It's no bueno. But it's kind of crazy because like if Ubuntu had Docker desktop, I'd be like really balling out right here because I'm a little bit of a heather. All right. Let's see what's going on. install Docker Desktop on Ubuntu. Okay. I'm curious if this... is this for... I don't know what this version Arch thing is. Weird. Okay, so I feel like I might have tried this in the past. But I haven't, because I don't have it on my system. So, I'll tell you something. I got this crazy Taiwanese keyboard that, the middle button, like right here, opens up a whole second layer of keys, and I can hit it with my thumb. And that shit makes my Linux like no other Linux. Okay. So, this Panucci. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy. Make sure to subscribe too, guys, because I'm going to be doing this all the fucking time. All the fucking time, dudes. I'm going to be coding until 1 a.m. And if you want to be here for the vibes, then come here for the vibes. Alright. This is crazy that if you want to install Docker Desktop, you almost have to, like, go on a website that doesn't have it. Like, why can't it just be sudo apt install Docker Desktop? Shit, dude. Shit, dude. Okay. I'm just gonna, like, try running this shit. I feel like this is, like, can't be for real, but... Oh my god, I'm pretty hammered from this fucking shit on the side, but, okay. Let's go. A little update never killed nobody. So, what's crazy is if I'm running Docker Desktop on an XRDP session, which this is, of course, I knew that was going to be the case. Version Arch. Okay, let's download the latest DEB package. Okay. Sometimes you just gotta do it like this way, you know, where you just get the file. Okay. I'll tell you, Tony DeLuca is pretty fancy schmancy though. I'll tell you. Tip top type shit. So sudo apt install. Wait, what the fuck is going on? I thought I downloaded into my downloads folder. Oh, it's taking a minute. 2 minutes. Okay, what could I do in 2 minutes? What could I show you guys? I take a little drinking break. That's what I could do. Take a little drinking break. And I could show you guys my crazy multimodal internet setup. I have like a business Wi-Fi and a regular Wi-Fi. So I got my Comcast router here. And this has like, you know, it's my Orbi. And then I got a second router that goes to Verizon. So like this goes to Verizon and this gets me exposed to the live internet. So like let's say I wanted to host anything on the internet, right? I could do this. I could type like python -m http.server and do it on port 80. It's not going to give me no permissions for that because port 80 is like a little bit fancy schmancy. But once I do that, check this out. Because of my business internet, test.web10.dev. Bam! I'm hosting something on my business internet. Going straight from my static IP Verizon router. I work for Top. Dude, you gotta take the fucking shine, dude. I love it when people show up here and take the shine. Like, more people, more shining, more rising, more sublime shit to go. It's, I love it. I love it if you work for tip-top stuff. That means you're a good self-advocate, you know? And I want people to self-advocate for themselves. It's just better that way. I almost got multi-million-dollar funding for this fucking little, you know, web10 thing I'm doing right now. But I'm too fucking nubile to make my fucking shit connect, you know? No. Okay. What the fuck is going on here? Selecting Docker desktop. Some packages may not be installed. This may be an impossible situation. I just followed a little tutorial and this is what it do to me. Isn't this crazy? You followed a little tutorial and it never gives you no hope. I don't have it on my computer. We're learning Linux together, guys. You know what you do? You just give up and you look up again how to do it. And you always find a better link on how to do it. I guarantee it. What are you wearing? Okay, I'll tell you a little bit what I'm wearing. I'm just like a pretty buff guy out here, you know? And so I decided this is just what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna look like this guy. You know? So these movies suck dick, but this movie is good. This movie Pitch Black. This movie Pitch Black is pretty good. But the other ones suck. It's kind of visionary. It's a visionary sci-fi movie, if I must say so. I can't install Docker Desktop because I'm drinking too much fucking brewskis. Okay. Anyone who's a developer knows it's not easy peasy lemon squeezies. Okay. I'm just like curious, what even is this shit? I've never done this shit in my life. This mod probe thing. So let's figure that out. What is this? Operation not permitted. Come on. I'm pretty sure I'm using an Intel processor. Habibi means brother in Hebrew. Let's go. Okay, I got the little mod probe. Whatever that is. Okay. Let's shift these around. I'm doing too much. Doing too much. Okay. Okay. Mod probe loan a kernel module. Okay, prefix it with sudo. I did it. Thank you. That's very good. Very good advice. Okay. I'm just gonna follow the little tutorial, you know? Sometimes that's all you gotta do. when you follow the little tutorial, it just do what it do. Alright. Good enough, good enough. I gotta add the little GPG key. Just do it. Okay. Added the key. Add the depository. Let's do it. Okay, enter. Continue. Oh, that's loading some shit into my system. I hope I don't forget none of this. Okay, water break, water break. Quickest water break there ever was. Alright. Now I got the repository. Sudo apt install docker ce, everything. Let's go. Go. Whew. Woo hoo hoo. I think this is gonna work. Let's do this shit. Okay. I think I'm gonna get a little bit of a Docker desktop up in here. It's gonna work good. I'll be able to go into my little terminal. No issues. Nothing. Nada. Because it's attached, ain't working for my life. This might fix my just issues. My serious issues. Okay. Fixing my serious issues. Just want to make sure I'm not running no Docker nothing. That'd be pretty silly. I'm running Docker on here, but I'm not. No ice is stalling out at 95%. Hope it hope something breaks through. I'm gonna copy this in. It tells me the status whenever it decides to do that. Okay. Let's go. Keep the hustle up. Okay. Let's do this little wget. Let's keep these commands going. Okay. Let's give me a... Oh, that little tilde sign is a major issue. Okay, I want to make sure I'm in the right folder before I do any kind of long download, you know? Because I'm going to regret it. I'm going to regret it otherwise. apt install. Okay. Seems pretty clear cut to me. Clear cut like salami. fucking longer. I think I'm pretty entertaining. I think it's pretty entertaining. I hope I just don't get liver failure. Shit, dude. Hope I don't get no liver failure, is all. Oh, the download's going. The download's going. Let's see. Let's look at this. Send in a few fucking pings. Send in a few pings up in here. Send in a few pings up in here. Send in a few little pings up in here. A little bit sending out. Sending in, sending out. A little bit of traffic. Let's go. A little bit of a code session. Oh shit. Okay. Oh damn, my connection broke. It's like my connection broke like my water broke. Okay. Okay. Let's do it. Tony DeLuca. It's kind of interesting. Okay. Sometimes you gotta just kill the thing. And when you kill the thing, you move forward. Okay. So I downloaded this 4.19 thing. So now I do sudo apt install docker desktop 4.19. Oh shit. That's a little bit unconcerning. A little bit concerning. It's kind of scary. It's just getting held up. Holy moly macaroni. Oh, I see what's going on. I gotta show this window on all desktops is what's going on. Okay. That's why I can't see nothing. Oh man, I'm in some deep shit right now. Fuck, dude. Might have to reboot my system. Okay, I got this. I'm just gonna be psychotic and fucking reboot my system. How to reboot system. Ubuntu. I'm trying to install Docker Desktop is all I'm trying to do. Okay, so I just got to do a little shutdown -r. -r. Okay. How do I do it, like, right away? Right away. Oh, now. Shut down -R now. Sudo. That's when you know. When you know, you know. Now the server rack makes a little noise, and we'll be back on point. Back on the grind in a second. Let's get this still entertaining, you know? It's running Ubuntu on this little screen, you know? It'll tell me when this shit gets back online. So the server's running a little XRDP server. It got locked up on the apt install, so I just cut it short. A little bit of Docker desktop. It'll come back. So this machine back here has 8 terabytes of hard drive storage, and it was $200. So I had to buy the hard drives, but it has an Intel Xeon processor, 64 gigs of RAM. It's a little beast, and I have a VPN into my home, so I could access it from a cafe. It's what every nerdy fucking person wants. I'm telling you, but they don't know it. If they don't want it, then they don't know it yet. But they'll know it. They'll know it in a little bit. Okay. The world's not ending. Oh, shit. This ain't going so well, boys. Ain't going so well. That's all I'm trying to say. Okay. Damn. This is critically fucked up. But, I mean, at least my XRDP's running. So I'm not really so worried anymore. Okay, Alt D. Okay, let's do it. Hit the fucking terminal. Sometimes you gotta go into history. Hope I don't got no pornography up in this history. I don't think I got none. Okay, history. How to reboot the system, how to install Docker Desktop. That's the fucking tutorial we were on. Okay. wget. Okay. Back in business. Sudo apt. Oh my god. Sudo apt install. Slash. Docker desktop. DPKG was interrupted. Sudo dpkg -configure -a. Okay. I probably royally fucked something up on my system. I'm like a little worried, no lie. But like, you know, I don't think worrying is no productive. It's not productive. It's really not productive, is all I'm trying to say. Sometimes you just gotta take a breather and just keep calm, carry on. I mean, you know, I'll find out real quick here, right? That something's messed up with my Docker. If unless PC. If I can't build my containers, then I got a big issue. Do I install? Oh, docket. Okay, okay. Okay, I kind of broke my Docker. Now I fixed my Docker. Now I can just kill this guy. I can go back. Nice. I have a better fucking version of this anyway. Let's see if this works. This music's kind of insane though, no lie. Spotify terminal client is all I use. Okay, really fire. Looking for a song. Okay, I'm gonna look for this song that I really like, because I really like the song and it gets me hype. Gets me very hype. The corn. The fucking screen thing. Okay, what the fuck is this fucking song that I really like? I'll tell you what the song is that I really like. If I see the pictures of it, I know what it is. Okay. Kulam Ahuvim Telephone. Let's do it. This is my jam. Okay. I think my system is royally fucked. Okay. You copy the sus command from the internet. That's how you get through your problems. That looked promising. You can use Docker Engine with Portainer. Damn, some proprietary shit. Are you kidding me? I'm getting beat up right now. Damn. Fuck. This is not going how I wanted it to go. Okay. That's going right. Get into this container. Oh, I was doing the wrong command. Oh my god. Oh. That's just how it goes though, you know? Okay. Sometimes it's a little bit of a learning experience. I'm making it. So I want to be able to like just open up the terminal on these containers. So probably have to make like a shell function for that. Okay. Okay, let's do it. Let's add a shell function. I want like an input argument to the shell function too, so I can type like a Docker container I want and be able to run it. Okay. I got this. I fucking got this. I got this. I'm telling you. Exactly. So I call this D shell. That's the name of my command. And I say ID. Container ID equals $1. Command. Okay. I got this. I don't even need none of that. Why am I doing this whole thing on this line? This is a command, D shell. Then I add that to my like little sus readme. Okay, let's try it. Okay. Okay. Refresh my little shell profile. And okay, it's working right. So let's see, do I have like a little bit of a Docker, just typing the sudo docker ps is killing me. When would I ever type ps in my fucking terminal, ever? Oh shit, it actually does something. What does ps do? It does your processes, that's what it does. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll make a little command called alias eps equals, and then there we go. Now we have a little, you know, because I use Docker all day, every day, so I can't afford to be wasting time on my productivity, on my grind. So all I gotta do is refresh it. If I take commands, it's there again, DPS. Then all I need to do is grab this guy, copy him, and now I can type D shell, paste it, paste this guy. Now I'm in. And now I have some pretty sensitive environment variables, I'm not gonna lie. So I gotta like maybe check these off the screen, but to show you which ones I'm even talking about, I'll at least talk about it. So let's get in the editor. So let's open something because I'm getting iced out here. Okay. So I got my Docker Compose, and these environment variables I really care about. So I'm gonna echo them pretty much. So let me do that. Okay, so what am I doing again? I'm like gonna go in this container and echo $. Okay, I want you guys to know what I'm doing, so I'm gonna do it on the main screen. So I want to like pretty much see if the environment variable is there, but I can't show it on the screen because it's like my private passwords and stuff, and it's blank. I'm getting closer to the culprit. I'm actually a little worried. So I have these crazy commands. That BW login thing is like might show my passwords for Bitwarden. So I just want to make sure. My stuff is not working the way I want it to. It's not even showing my client IDs or nothing. This is pretty sad. This is very interesting because I had this file that was called "Never Open This on the Stream, Whatever You Do," and I'm not seeing it. So the way my Bitwarden login works is I have my Bitward email and password. Oh shit! Oh, I'm remembering my own stuff. I like stopped using the API keys for Bitwarden, and I use email and password instead. Okay. Let's see what I do in the main code though to like get in the Bitwarden. Did I change the main code? Because if I go to the bitwarden.py, let's see, Bitwarden get item. Is it just pretending like, whatever, la-di-da-di-da, I'm not logged in? Okay, it says it just needs to be logged in. It doesn't try to log in. So I need to log in the Docker file, in other words. Okay. Let's try this out, actually. Oh, okay. It's actually pretty wild. This command is a good command. Okay. Yank it. And I'm going to put this in the Docker container. It's going to give me access. What I'm trying to get access to. Nice. This is what happens when you don't code as much as you should. You forget details. But it's all coming now. Now it's a fucking river. Email and password. Yeah, email and password. That's all it is, not username. Email. Okay. There we go. Now it's going to pass that stuff into the container. Actually a little worried now. Now I'm sweating. Now I think my passwords might pop up in the container. But I can actually navigate this pretty chill. Okay. Okay. Now I got a nice little situation here. So now, okay, I'm on a groove now. That's no good. I know that I made this crazy directory that had a bunch of stuff I don't talk about, and it's weird to see it's nowhere to be found. Am I going crazy? It's a question. That's what I'm gonna ask at this point. Because I guarantee you, I had this little file that was called "Don't Open on Stream." Whatever you do, don't open this file on the stream. And this is shocking to not see it here. I have a feeling it's on my Linux laptop. Are you kidding me? I think I might take a break, but this is, I made some good progress, you know? Made some good progress. Alright, bye folks. Adios.